My next holidays. I think I will travel to Cartagena, which is a port city of the Caribbean coast of Colombia. By the sea with my daughters, I think a sister will go with me. She goes for a walk with her friend. They always travel by plane. There is a great tropical climate. The sea is a popular destination for each beach. We many go by fleet boat, spend a lot of time off the road. I would like to travel by plane. Maybe we will enjoy the holidays more. Should we go to the beach? To the tourist sites, to squares, to canoe the Glovestone streets and colorful colonial buildings, such as the Castle of San Felipe. Rosario Islands are a set of around 30 small coral islands surrounded by transparent waters, typical of the Caribbean Sea, where you can dive a colorful underway. Words that would be incredible. There is an oceanarium with dolphins shows that my daughter dreams of seeing and sharks that make the archipelago more attractive, a complement of visit with entertainment activities. I think we will stay in Hotel Net Wall City. Maybe we will go shopping. We want to go to Baru and wall of the beach made castles in the sands and play with the waves of the sea. I am not sure if we will practice various water activities, shows and with surfing, snorkeling, or board trip around the bay or hoods of them.